Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you will be fine. So this is question 4.57 of chapter 4, and the statement of this question is, let x be a random variable with the following probability distribution. For all the values of x, the value of f of x, which is the probability density function, has been written here as well. So on the basis of this table, what do we have to do? We have to find the e of x, expected value of x, and e of x square, and then using these values we have to evaluate the value of e of 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so that is what we have to do today. In order to do so, let me solve it here. This is the solution. Okay, and in solving it, let us find here the value of e of 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, we have to find it out. In order to find it out, let me first open this bracket and see what would it be. So it would be 2x whole square plus 2x 1 plus 1 whole square. Okay, so it is why, because we have a formula that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we have this formula. So on the basis of it, we have to evaluate it. So evaluating it and then finding it out, from here we would get 4x square, here we would have 4x, and here we would have 1. Okay, so using the previously obtained formulation of the expected value, from that we will very easily see that it would be what? It will be the 4 e of x square plus 4 e of x, and here expected value of 1, it will be 1. Okay, so this is what? This is the formula we have to use here, and let me first underline it and keep it here as well. Okay, so now in order to do so, what do we have to do? We have to find the value of e of x square and then e of x. Okay, so these are basically the two values we have to find here. Okay, so to find out the value of e of x here, what do we have to do? These are basically the discrete values. So in order to do so, we have to sum them from 1 up to n. Okay, and all these values will be e of x of I and f of x of I. Okay, so here I basically ranges from 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3, these are the values. So let me write them here. Here we will have x1 f of x1 plus x2 multiplied by f of x2 plus x3 f of x3. Okay, let me write their values. So x1 is minus 3 multiplied by f of x1, which is 1 by 6, plus x2 is 6 multiplied by 1 by 2, okay, plus x3 is 9 multiplied by 1 by 3. Okay, so from here we will get minus 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, so evaluating it, we would get what? Here the answer of it would be 5.5, and that is for e of x. Okay, now for e of x square, what do we have to do for e of x square? Let me evaluate it here. For e of x square, the formula which is here would become what? It would be from 1 to n, and here the value of xi would be square, and all other xi will remain the same. Okay, so using the same formulation, we will have here minus 3 square multiplied by 1 by 6 plus 6 square multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 9 square multiplied by 1 by 3. Okay, so evaluating it at the end, we would get what? The value of it would be 46.5, and this is for e of x square. Okay, so we know the value of e of x. Here it is. Let me put it here. And the value of e of x square, let me put it here as well. So let me put these values here and use this color for it. We would get 4 multiplied by what? 4 multiplied by e of x square, and this is 46.5 plus 4 multiplied by 5.5 plus 1. Okay, so evaluating it at the end, we would get 209, and that is basically the solution of the question we have. So the answer of it is 209. Okay, so we have obtained the value of e of x, which is here. We have obtained the value of e of x square, which is here, and for this we have also obtained the value, which is here, by using the formulation which we have. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.